Welcome to Dividend Income. These are dividend stock picks I'm looking to add to my portfolio. Let's start with Cisco. Cisco is an IT and networking brand that specialises in switches, routers and cybersecurity. Cisco has a dividend yield of around 3.38%, paying 38 cents a quarter. It has been paying out dividends since 2011 and has annual dividend increases along the way. If we look back a few years, the stock has been fairly steady with growth. It had a significant drop after a high of $64.28 on the 29th of December 2021, then dropped a lot after Q3 earnings. Cisco said its sales declined due to chip shortages. It has been hovering around $41 to $45 for the last month. For the short term, could it drop further? It is possible, but it does look to have levels of resistance. The fundamentals have not changed. Cisco is a high quality tech networking giant. It has a strong balance sheet, market leading positions and multiple levers for growth. So at this price it is a level I am comfortable with buying. The next stock is Enbridge. Enbridge Inc. is a multinational pipeline company headquartered in Canada. It owns and operates pipelines throughout Canada and the United States, transporting crude oil, natural gas and natural gas liquids. It has the longest pipeline system in North America. It has a large footprint in Canada and America for both residential and commercial clients. What I really like about it is that it has been investing heavily in growing its renewable energy, committing more than 8 billion Canadian dollars in renewable projects. Enbridge has a high dividend yield of around 6.08%, paying 86 cents a quarter. It has 27 years of dividend growth. Enbridge has been paying dividends for over 67 years. This is why I've now added it to my portfolio. Next up is Main Street Capital Corporation, ticker symbol MAIN. It is a principal investment firm that provides long-term debt and equity capital to lower middle market companies and debt capital to middle market companies. What I like about Main Street is that it's very well diversified, invested across multiple sectors with a vast portfolio of companies. Sectors ranging from business, commercial, consumer to energy, healthcare, IT and telecommunications. Being this diverse spreads the risk. It has a high dividend yield of around 5.8%, paying 21.5 cents a month. Yes, that's right, it pays monthly, which I absolutely love. The high yield and monthly payment is too enticing to pass up. That is why I've just purchased a small amount of shares. I intend to add to this holding over the next few months. Next up is Pfizer, ticker symbol PFE. Pfizer is a multinational pharmaceutical and biotechnology corporation. It has been around since 1849, paying dividends since 1980. It has a yield of around 3.2%, paying 40 cents a quarter. It is a safe stock with strong financials, with revenue of 81.29 billion last year and is expected to top over 100 billion this year. Pfizer is in advanced talks to acquire biotech company Global Blood Therapeutics in a 5.4 billion deal. With this acquisition, Pfizer aims to add 25 billion more in revenue by 2030. It is a safe stock that I'm looking to add to my portfolio to diversify it further. Stock number 5 is Verizon Communications, ticker symbol VZ. Verizon is a telecommunications company. It is a company that's been on my watch list for a while. I've been on the fence about whether to pull the trigger and buy some, preferring to opt for AT&T, but my interest in it has grown as the price has been coming down. The stock has taken a beating this year. Q2 earnings were not great and the revenue has remained flat for over a year. Despite flat earnings, it has a forward payout ratio of less than 50%, so can easily cover dividend payments. I think the price has now factored in a lot of negativity. It has a high dividend yield of around 5.76%, paying 64 cents a quarter. It has been paying dividends since 2010, increasing them year on year, so now might be the time to take the plunge. Those were my stock picks for the month. Thanks for watching. A quick disclaimer now. As always, you should do your own research when investing. I'm not a financial advisor, and these are my personal views. The purpose of this video is to give you additional information and hopefully help in making informed decisions. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe.